Hey there, I'm Megan with WTI, and if you're looking for a dog grooming brush that's simple yet effective, then you're going to like using this one by Lilpep.
Despite slippery hands, the brush doesn't slide off my hands as I use it. It stays in place, and I visibly can see my dog start to calm down in the bath as I use it because it really feels like a lovely massage for her.
Another reason why I like this brush is that if you have a dog with hair, mine is half poodle, and the bristles here really help take out any extra hair off her coat as we're grooming her, which is great for her. So if you're looking for a dog brush that's simple yet functional and effective, then this is the one you're going to need, and that's my point of view.